You have great potential. That's the reason why you need to wake up, work if you want to win. And again, understand that it's possible and you need to believe. I've written this book, Secret of Success for Teens and Youth, a book that will help young people to discover who they are. You know, in life, if you don't understand who you are likely to miss a lot in life. You'll miss a lot. One need to understand what they have and why they were created. If you understand your why, it will direct your step. It will define your life. It will help you to know what to do and how to do it. Secret of Success for Teen and Youth, it's a great book that will help young people not only to discover who they are, also to be able to develop what they have. And they will be able to develop their purpose, their potential, and also their principles, because they need principles to be able to succeed. Secret for Teen and Youth, it's a great book that will help a teenager to be able to succeed in school, to be able to succeed in life. Everyone wants to succeed. So you need to know how to do things. Secret for Success for Teen, it's a book that will help you to know the best and the greatest gift that you can give to your parent. In the book, I'll tell you how you can make it as a teen and a youth, and how to grow wise. And this book, I know it will change, transform, and touch your life. And I recommend that you read this book because it helps you. In the book, I'm talking about the struggle that teenagers and youth are going through, and I'm providing the solutions. There's certain things that teenagers are struggling with, and they need to be able to understand these things. When they're able to understand, they will be able to live a life of purpose, of power, and of peace. And one need to have peace with himself and with other people. And you need peace with your maker. So this is a great book that will help you succeed in life, succeed in your studies, and understand who you are and why you are created and what you have and how you can be able to perform in school. You want to perform better in school? This is a great book that will guide you, the book that will advise you, a book that you have many questions, and this will be able to answer. I recommend that you get this book and you read this book. It will be able to help you. You'll be able to learn. When you learn, you'll be able to live. And when you live, you'll be able to lead. You are a leader. So you need something that will be able to help you. So this book will be able to help you. Because know that the church, the country, and the continent is looking at you and expecting something great from you. So as a teenager and a youth, you need this book. It's a book that will be able to understand the struggle, and it will help you to be responsible in life, and also to help you to be reliable and to be able to achieve a lot. My precious child, live, listen, and live. It's a great book that will be able to help your life. Get this book, it will change, transform your life. You have a bright future.